आज we have distributed oxygen concentrators worth 10 lakhs approximately. और इससे पहले भी हमने टाकरजला, जोगीजला, भोजनगर, वाकीनगर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया। आज केरंगबाग में 10 दिया है और स्टैंड बाय में भी रखा है शिकारी बारी के लिए, सुई कर्मों के लिए। एंड आज अगर किसी को भी दरकार है तो यहाँ में ऑक्सीजन का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। इसके लिए ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर्स गिवन टू दिस हॉस्पिटल। ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से नहीं, ये हमारे पर्सनल कैपेसिटी की तरफ से हमने ये डोनेट किया है। ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 9 to 10 lakhs का ये ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर्स।
How many oxygen concentration has been given?
Till now we have given almost close to 20. There are some more, and we are planning to give up to 60 to 70.
So in this Kerangbag hospital, how many has been?
This is the first lot which has come. There is the oxygen plant which is coming up. Now we have given 10.
And what about the fooding distributing?
This is the 19th day. Last 19 days we have been giving food, not only here, in other parts also. And we have promised for the next 1 month. So another 11 more days to go. Till then, Corona should also come down, and people should also get some relief.
And how is the report in Kerangbag hospital till now?
This is the cleanest hospital in Tripura, actually, to be very honest. I'm very happy with the entire medical staff. They've kept this place clean, it's hygienic, and we are trying to make this into one of the best run facilities in the entire state of Tripura. So healthcare is extremely important to us, and we want to make this into a model hospital.
And how is the COVID case in Kerangbag hospital?
That the doctors will be able to say better. But as of now, there is no COVID patient here. But we would want more and more people to get tested. That's why I'm appealing to the general public that they should come. डरना नहीं चाहिए, सबको आके टेस्ट करना चाहिए, सबको आके वैक्सीन लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये हमारे तिपरासा लोगों को बहुत ये मतलब कि बहुत गांव में एक र्यूमर है कि वैक्सीन लेने से प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। मैं अपील करना चाहता हूँ कि आप आइए और वैक्सीन शॉट्स लीजिए, क्योंकि आज अगरतला टाउन में और उदयपुर, कैलाशहर में सबने वैक्सीन ले लिया, हमारे तिपरासा ने ही नहीं लिया है। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि हमारे तिपरासा लोग सामने आए, वैक्सीन शॉट्स ले। इसमें कुछ चिंता का बात नहीं, मैंने भी खुद एक वैक्सीन शॉट लिया है, वो भी आकर ले। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट।
And how many oxygen will be given more or?
More oxygen concentrators will be given as and when the requirement comes. Oxygen plant is being set up here, or we are trying to make sure that there will be a blood bank also. We are trying to make sure that the Kerangbag blood bank is reopened with a proper technician and a doctor on duty, so that people don't have to rush outside to get blood.
In how many hospital will be given oxygen concentrator?
As many as required. See, हम लोग के अंदर सिर्फ 3, लेकिन हमने अपने outside ADC also we have given to hospitals, to medical facilities, and if anyone requires it, we are more than happy to do. But these are all personal, from my personal contribution, not from the government or not public money. Thank you. Thank you.